Hello, everyone. You are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing how to easily and simply fix communication issues in a relationship. Below is an expanded overview that delves deeply into understanding, addressing, and improving communication in relationships. This extensive guide provides a comprehensive approach to addressing and improving communication issues in a relationship. From understanding the basics of communication to practicing daily habits and seeking professional help. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Introduction. Effective communication is the cornerstone of a healthy, fulfilling relationship. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and emotional distance, whereas clear and compassionate communication fosters understanding, trust, and intimacy. This comprehensive guide aims to explore the multifaceted nature of communication in relationships and provide detailed strategies to improve it. Understanding communication. The importance of communication in relationships. 1. Foundation of trust and intimacy. Communication builds trust and intimacy, allowing partners to connect on a deeper level. 2. Conflict resolution. Effective communication helps resolve conflicts amicably and prevents misunderstandings. 3. Emotional expression. Sharing feelings, thoughts, and experiences is crucial for emotional bonding. Example: when Sarah and Tom openly share their daily experiences and feelings, they feel more connected and understood by each other. Types of communication. 1. Verbal communication. The words we use to convey messages. 2. Non-verbal communication. Body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. 3. Written communication. Texts, emails, and letters. 4. Active listening. Fully concentrating, understanding, and responding to what is being said. Example: non-verbal cues such as a warm smile or a reassuring touch can convey affection and support without words. Communication styles. 1. Passive. Avoiding expressing thoughts and feelings, leading to unspoken resentments. 2. Aggressive. Expressing thoughts and feelings in a forceful and hostile manner. 3. Passive-aggressive. Indirectly expressing negative feelings instead of addressing them openly. 4. Assertive. Clearly and respectfully expressing thoughts, feelings, and needs. Example: Emily uses assertive communication to express her needs by saying, "I feel overwhelmed when I have to handle all the chores alone." Can we discuss a fair division of tasks? Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Identifying communication problems. Common communication issues. 1. Misunderstandings. Misinterpretations of messages leading to conflicts. 2. Lack of active listening. Not fully listening to your partner, resulting in feelings of being unheard. 3. Assumptions. Making assumptions about your partner's thoughts or feelings without verifying. 4. Avoidance. Avoiding difficult conversations to prevent conflict, leading to unresolved issues. 5. Emotional reactivity. Responding emotionally rather than calmly, escalating conflicts. Example: John assumes that Mary knows he is busy and doesn't need to inform her, leading to misunderstandings and hurt feelings. Identifying your communication patterns. 1. Reflect on past interactions. Analyze previous conversations to identify patterns. 2. Seek feedback. Ask your partner for feedback on your communication style. 3. Self-awareness. Recognize your tendencies, whether passive, aggressive, passive-aggressive, or assertive. Example: reflecting on past arguments, Alice realizes she often avoids discussing her needs, leading to unresolved issues. Building effective communication skills. Active listening. 1. Pay attention. Give your undivided attention to your partner. 2. Show that you're listening. Use body language and verbal cues to show engagement. 3. Provide feedback. Reflect on what is said by paraphrasing or summarizing. 4. Defer judgment. Avoid interrupting or making premature judgments. 5. Respond appropriately. Offer thoughtful responses and ask questions for clarity. Example: When Steve listens to Lisa, he nods, maintains eye contact, and paraphrases her words to ensure he understands her correctly. Nonverbal communication. 1. Body language. Be aware of your posture, gestures, and movements. 2. Facial expressions. Ensure your facial expressions match your verbal messages. 3. Eye contact. Maintain appropriate eye contact to show engagement and sincerity. 4. Tone of voice. Use a tone that matches your message and avoid sounding sarcastic or dismissive. Example: when discussing sensitive topics, Mark ensures his tone is calm and his body language open to create a safe space for dialogue. Assertive communication. 1. Use I statements. Focus on your feelings rather than blaming your partner. 2. Be direct and honest. Clearly state what you need or how you feel. 3. Stay calm. Maintain a calm demeanor and avoid raising your voice. 4. Respect boundaries. Acknowledge your partner's feelings and boundaries. Example: I feel hurt when you cancel our plans last minute. Can we discuss how to manage our time better? Developing emotional intelligence. Understanding emotional intelligence. 1. Self-awareness. Recognizing your own emotions and how they affect your behavior. 2. Self-regulation. Managing your emotions healthily. 3. Motivation. Harnessing emotions to pursue goals with passion. 4. Empathy. Understanding and sharing the feelings of others. 5. Social skills. Managing relationships to move people in desired directions. Example: when Jane feels frustrated, she practices self-regulation by taking a few deep breaths before responding calmly to her partner. Practicing empathy. 1. Active listening. Fully concentrate on what your partner is saying. 2. Validating feelings. Acknowledge your partner's emotions and experiences. 3. Expressing understanding. Show that you understand their perspective. Example: when Tom shares his stress about work, Mary listens without interrupting, validates his feelings, and offers her support. Managing emotions in conversations. 1. Recognize triggers. Identify what triggers your emotional reactions. 2. Pause and reflect. Take a moment to collect your thoughts before responding. 3. Express emotions constructively. Share your emotions without blaming or attacking. Example: during an argument, instead of lashing out, Sarah takes a moment to calm down and then expresses her feelings calmly. Building trust and safety. Creating a safe space for communication. 1. Eliminate distractions. Ensure your conversations are free from distractions. 2. Set aside time. Dedicate time for meaningful conversations. 3. Be non-judgmental. Avoid judging or criticizing your partner's thoughts and feelings. Example: every Sunday, Rachel and Mike set aside an hour to discuss their week without any distractions, fostering a safe space for open dialogue. The role of trust in communication. 1. Be reliable. Follow through on commitments and promises. 2. Be honest. Tell the truth, even when it's difficult. 3. Be transparent. Share your thoughts and feelings openly. Example: by consistently being honest and reliable, David builds trust with Laura, making her feel safe to express her true feelings. Practicing vulnerability. 1. Share your feelings. Open up about your fears, dreams, and insecurities. 2. Show empathy. Understand and validate your partner's feelings. 3. Encourage openness. Create an environment where both partners feel comfortable being vulnerable. Example: when Emily shares her insecurities, Jack listens with empathy and reassures her, encouraging more open communication. Conflict resolution. Understanding conflict. 1. Identify the root cause. Understand the underlying issues causing the conflict. 2. Stay focused on the issue. Address the specific issue at hand without bringing up past grievances. 3. Avoid personal attacks. Focus on behaviors and actions rather than character. Example: during a disagreement about finances, Emma and Jake focus on discussing their budget rather than attacking each other's spending habits. Strategies for healthy conflict resolution. 1. Stay calm. Keep emotions in check and approach conflicts with a calm demeanor. 2. Use I statements. Express your feelings without blaming your partner. 3. Seek compromise. Look for solutions that benefit both partners. 4. Practice active listening. Ensure both partners feel heard and understood. Example: when arguing about chores, Mia and Alex use I statements and actively listen to each other's perspectives, finding a compromise that works for both. Avoiding harmful conflict patterns. 1. Criticism. Focus on specific behaviors rather than attacking your partner's character. 2. Defensiveness. Accept responsibility for your actions instead of making excuses. 3. Contempt. Show respect and avoid sarcasm or mocking. 4. Stonewalling. Stay engaged in the conversation rather than withdrawing. Example: when feeling defensive, Chris takes a moment to breathe and responds with responsibility, avoiding escalating the conflict. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Daily communication practices. Checking in regularly. 1. Make time for daily check-ins. Share thoughts and feelings regularly to stay connected. 2. Show interest in your partner's day. Ask about their experiences and listen actively. 3. Express love and appreciation. Regularly show gratitude and affection. Example: at the end of each day, Lily and Max spend a few minutes sharing highlights and challenges, fostering a strong connection. Effective communication in everyday situations. 1. Discuss plans and schedules. Keep each other informed about daily plans and schedules. 2. Share responsibilities. Communicate openly about household chores and responsibilities. 3. Make decisions together. Involve each other in decision-making processes. Example: by discussing their weekly schedule, Jamie and Sam avoid misunderstandings and manage their time effectively. Celebrating milestones and successes. 1. Acknowledge achievements. Celebrate each other's successes and milestones. 2. Express pride and support. Show your partner that you are proud of their accomplishments. 3. Create traditions. Establish rituals for celebrating together. Example: when Sarah gets a promotion, Ben surprises her with a special dinner to celebrate her achievement. Using technology to enhance communication. Staying connected with technology. 1. Use messaging apps. Stay in touch throughout the day with texts or messages. 2. Video calls. Connect face-to-face when apart to maintain intimacy. 3. Share media. Send photos, videos, or articles to share experiences. Example: when Tom is away on a business trip, he and Amy use video calls to stay connected and share their daily experiences. Setting boundaries with technology. 1. Limit screen time. Ensure technology doesn't interfere with quality time. 2. Create tech-free zones. Designate areas or times where technology is not allowed. 3. Prioritize face-to-face interaction. Make time for in-person communication. Example: during dinner, Emma and Jack put their phones away to focus on each other and have meaningful conversations. Professional help and resources. Seeking therapy and counseling. 1. Couples therapy. Work with a therapist to address communication issues and strengthen the relationship. 2. Individual therapy. Address personal issues that may impact communication. 3. Workshops and seminars. Attend workshops focused on relationship skills and communication. Example: by attending couples therapy, Lisa and David learn new communication strategies and deepen their understanding of each other. Utilizing self-help resources. 1. Books and articles. Read about communication techniques and relationship skills. 2. Online courses. Enroll in courses that offer structured learning on communication. 3. Support groups. Join groups to share experiences and learn from others. Example: MIA reads books on emotional intelligence and communication. applying the strategies to improve her relationship with Alex. Long-term strategies for sustained improvement. Continuous learning and growth. 1. Stay curious. Keep learning about communication and relationship dynamics. 2. Practice regularly. Apply communication skills consistently. 3. Adapt to changes. Be flexible and adapt communication strategies as the relationship evolves. Example: over the years, Jake and Emily continue to read, attend workshops, and practice new communication techniques, keeping their relationship strong and resilient. Building a culture of open communication. 1. Model good communication. Lead by example and practice effective communication. 2. Encourage openness. Foster an environment where both partners feel safe to express themselves. 3. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge improvements and celebrate milestones in communication. Example: by consistently practicing and encouraging open communication, Laura and Mike build a strong foundation of trust and understanding in their relationship. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.